It's a very clear and sunny day out here in Auckland.
Lucky to have a sunny day like this. Otherwise, Auckland weather is very unpredictable. You can see all 4 seasons in the same day.
Yeah, true that. So we are at Cornwall Park, One Tree Hill. What's the speciality of this area? Anything?
It's just one of the parks in Auckland. Like one of the biggest parks in Auckland.
Even bigger than Auckland Domain?
Yeah, kind of, yeah. You'll see. But unfortunately, we can't go to the top of One Tree Hill as that is closed. But as you can see, the high up there,
Yeah.
that is that One Tree Hill monument.
Okay.
So people usually go there, but
I can see people over there. I don't know if the bird is visible. Just got white and black shade. Yeah, it's visible now. Pretty much like a crow. So we are at Cornwall Park right now. One Tree Hill, Cornwall Park. This is one of the famous areas out here in Auckland. There's a volcanic mountain up here. It's not a mountain, like a hill, a few hundred meters up. And on top of that there's a monument called One Tree Hill, which is like a sign of peace between like the Maoris and the Kiwis. And out here got a lot of biodiversity, especially of birds. Let me just show you around. That's the entrance to the Cornwall Park, One Tree Hill. So we have entered into Cornwall Park, One Tree Hill, and One Tree Hill is basically a volcanic hill out here, around 182 meters, and we're gonna show you around. So this was like a monument built between the Maoris and the Kiwis as a sign of their friendship. So it's like a small trek from out here. We'll show you around. So we're walking through Cornwall Park. There are a lot of sheep out here. Some black sheep as well. Baba black sheep, as you can see. There are 2 of them roaming around, one here and one there. The helmeted guinea fowl is native to Africa, especially in the southern stretches of the dry and hot deserts of Sahara in the North African portion of the Middle Eastern region. However, this species of bird has been widely introduced in Europe and Oceanic Pacific countries like Australia and New Zealand. We have no clue, guys, what this bird is. We're being followed by these birds. Probably they're coming to attack us or shoo us away. But I don't know exactly what they are. It's a beautiful bird. This distinctive omnivorous African game bird was first introduced to New Zealand in the 1860s. Right now these guys are crossing the road. We are just waiting to see them, run or do some action. They're marching in unison. They're chasing each other, they're not chasing us actually. These are basically like road runners chasing each other. Hello everybody, we are climbing up the steep slopes up to One Tree Hill, and as you can see behind me, we are at Cornwall Park, One Tree Hill, and we are climbing up the slopes. It's not very high, it's hardly around 100 or 200 meters tall, but it's said to be one of the most important monuments when it comes to signing a peace treaty of a goodwill between the Kiwis and the Maoris. And another good thing about this park is, in fact the best part about the park, apart from the history and everything, is its biodiversity. What do you say, Sayak?
Yeah, it is beautiful, especially the birds, and you have got indigenous New Zealand birds here. Not like the other parks where you have a lot of birds which are introduced like sparrows and pigeons.
Guys, this is a signpost which we found out here, and I 100% agree with this. It's the worst bird out of all species, and it has polluted our entire planet, just like how humans have done that similarly. So wherever you're trying to save some native species of birds, in that kind of a place, I think their population needs to be in control, because these guys don't let other species coexist with them. So that is why I 100% agree with whatever this post says.
Here you have more indigenous birds, like we saw in New Zealand Kuriru, right?
Yeah. Where?
The One Tree Hill.
Oh, the burn tree.
Yeah, just over there. When you climb here, it's on your left.
Okay.
the barn-
So the One Tree Hill which we are seeing right now, that is newly built, not the old one.
No. So in 80s, that tree was there, and
Okay.
that was the only tree there. But
Oh.
somebody, the Maori activists, they burned the tree down and chopped the tree.
Oh, I see.
So it's a no tree hill. But
Okay,
then they,
okay.
then they grew the trees.
I see.
It's all farmland.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Enjoy. Thank you, man.
Yeah. So basically we'll have to jump this fence, and I'm gonna show you. Yeah. So there it is. Let me hold your camera. Other side is very easy.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that side is comparatively easy.
So as you can see, guys, it's an extreme hike up. So I should have worn my trekking shoes today, but anyhow, my sneakers are doing pretty well. It has a lot of friction on these steep jungle-like slopes. Cause I know there's no life after you and I, right or wrong. There's no other one after this time spent alone. Hard to believe that a man with sight could be so blind, thinking about the fairy that must have been out of my mind. So I'm running back to tell you all that I'm after is a life full of laughter. Without you, God knows what I'd do. Yeah, all that I'm after. Far away over there, guys, that is Hauraki Gulf. Can you hear the sounds of the extreme wind on top of One Tree Hill? One Tree Hill area is situated in the southeastern Auckland's district of Maungakiki, which is also the constituency from wherein the famous member of the New Zealand Parliament, Mrs. Priyanka Radhakrishnan, won the elections as an Indian origin Labour Party candidate in October 2020. This monumental obelisk named One Tree Hill was gleefully erected back in 1940 in the name of Sir John Logan Campbell, who was buried on the top of this mountain, commemorating not only the achievements of the Maori people, that is, the native people of this land, but also the deep-rooted sense of friendship and brotherhood that they share with the Pakeha people. There are 46 volcanoes in Auckland, all within 20 kilometers radius from the city center. One Tree Hill is the second largest volcanic cone in Auckland and has got 3 craters. What you see out here is one of those craters. Right now we're coming down from One Tree Hill. As you can see, people are jogging, cycling, doing all kinds of outdoor activities. There are a lot of archaeological sites out here. Probably, people are studying for some kind of fossils and all that.
Hi everyone, my name is Douglas.
How do you like this place, One Tree Hill? Have you come
One Tree
here?
Hill, I came here before as a dating with a girl.
Oh, really?
No, we got no contact.
But I mean, you should come here just alone, I would suggest, because
Yeah.
you've got so many species of birds and stuff out here in this park,
Yeah,
which I
true.
haven't even seen in Auckland Urban Domain, to be very honest.
Yeah, Auckland Domain is also a nice park.
Yeah, Auckland Domain Urban Rainforest.
Yeah,
So,
and
but the
more-
biodiversity out here is even better than that one.
Yeah,
Frankly, from what we saw. So guys, exactly. I mean, just look at that washroom. It's just a cave.
It's a cave? Yeah, it's
Yeah.
definitely a cave.
Yeah.
A stone cave.
So, stone cave. So, I guess it'll be like Harappan civilization style.
yeah, just look, you
Drainage
will
pattern.
see a person walk from a cave. Just completed his pee.